You guys hear this beat?
Real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap pack to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time.
What is up, guys? Good morning. Today is another day with you guys, and right now I'm actually cooking some rice for dinner later tonight. But I do have a couple plans. I actually wrote down my shopping list today. I do need milk, almond milk, because I do not drink dairy, or at least try not to. I mean, I still eat cheese and stuff, but I just don't drink dairy. Anyways, but yeah, I'm cooking rice right now. I'm about to go to the grocery outlet, but one thing I did want to mention, yeah, you can actually save a lot of money by cooking at home instead of eating out all the time. So I'm still new to this myself, but I've been experiencing saving a good amount of money from, you know, looking at all my bills and seeing what I can bring down. And I actually brought down my internet bill, and if I pay off my cell phone, then I can be able to save money there as well. I do have my business products that I'm financing, so once those are paid off, then my bills are gonna go down as well. So right now I'm really just trying to be a minimalist and get rid of a lot of my stuff. Actually, these past couple days I sold my photography backpack because it was just sitting in my room, and honestly I didn't really need it. So that's one thing I sold, and it feels so good to sell, actually. And for those of you that don't know, I actually am a salesman for AT&T. Yeah, so that's the field that I'm in. And then yesterday I actually sold my MIDI keyboard. It's a keyboard that you can connect it to your laptop and play, excuse that, and then play music, and then you can have different instruments with your keyboard. It was honestly just sitting in my room. I bought it on my birthday last year, and I rarely use it, you know. So what I did was, you know, I just sold it. And you know, I sold it to this guy who seems like he's gonna take care of it more than I am going to, because I don't really need it. And then in a couple of days, I'm going to actually look through my closet and see what else I can get rid of, because I do have a lot of clothes, and I just want to get rid of it all because, like I said, I'm trying to declutter. But yeah, so those are some ways that you guys can save money. I've noticed that if I eat out less, and make money more at home, then I'm really, you know, just saving money in the long run. Because if you think about it, one thing that I enjoy the most is either coffee or green tea matcha lattes at Starbucks. And what I noticed is, you know, you're spending $4 or $5 a day. You know, let's say for 5 days, that's $25 a week, you know, and that's $100 a month on just coffee. So my roommate doesn't actually drink coffee anymore, so he gave me his Bustelo. I believe it's Spanish coffee, Colombian. Yeah, so he gave me his coffee, and I already actually have Folgers coffee. So as you guys can see, I'm making coffee at home, and I actually make really good coffee, I'm not gonna lie. And then I also have this French vanilla that, there you go. And I just use raw sugar or stevia, and almond milk as well. That's why I'm gonna go to the grocery market pretty soon. So yeah, so like you're saving, let's say you stop buying coffee, you just start making coffee at home. You're literally saving $100 a month. I don't know, that's just me. And then you know, food on the other hand, you're spending like $10 to $15 on just the meal, you know what I'm saying? And don't get me wrong, it's great to eat out with friends and stuff, but I was eating out like every day. So it feels good to just cook my own food at home, you know, and save money that way. And yeah, and then you guys can find great, you know, organic food for cheap prices at any grocery store you go to. The grocery I personally go to is Bargain Market. That's the place I go, but I am wasting time, so I'm gonna head there now. I hope this motivated you guys to, like, you know, try to save money, become minimalist, sell your things. You know, it feels good to sell. Maybe even open up your own business. I mean, I have my clothing business for you guys who are new to my channel. I do run my own clothing line, so that's why I'm trying to get rid of a lot of things so I can fund my business. So if you guys are new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me. Also, if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing these glasses, now these glasses are actually helping with blue light. You guys can probably see it, but it actually helps with blue light, and whenever you're looking at your phone or you're looking at your desktop, it's blocking out those blue light that could be harmful to your eyes. So that's why I wear these. I bought these pretty cheap and they're pretty stylish. But if you guys are actually interested in these glasses, I will go ahead and leave the link in the description below. And they're really cheap. I believe they're like $12, and you know, they'll really help protect your eyes. So if you guys want to protect your eyes, I know, like me, I'm looking at my cell phone all day and I'm looking at a computer screen all day. So these really do help my eyes when it comes to that. So you guys can go ahead and pick up one for yourself. But yeah, let's go ahead and go shopping. Ziki. This is my roommate's dog. Yeah, boy. This is a Jack Russell. Known to be one of the smartest dogs in the world, actually. Isn't that right, boy? Alright, see you later. Yeah, the dark side. I have to get me some spaghetti. You guys hear this beat? My other cup broke, so I gotta get a new one. Yep, $5. Alright, what is up, guys? I just got home from grocery shopping. I'm gonna put everything away and cook some food for dinner because I do have to get ready for work. I am going to end this video here, but yeah, if you guys did like this video for the tips, please go ahead and leave me a like. Also, if you guys have any comments, please go ahead and leave me a question or any comments in the comment section below. And if this is your first time on my channel, or if you're just not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to notify you guys when I do upload a new video. I do upload every Sunday at 11 a.m. So stay tuned for the next episode. I do have a few other things planned for my clothing line. I'm working with 2 people right now. One of them being both of them are my friends. I'm working on a logo for my friend in TJ, and I'm also working on a shirt for my homie and his B-boy crew. So that's what I'll be working on, but I do have to get ready for work. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for everything, and remember, it's all about the journey. Peace.